Welcome back. We are continuing our partnership with Bundy Law Office, where you can hear from professionals answering your questions regarding family law. Aaron Bundy is with us today, and this segment is sponsored by Bundy Law Office. Aaron, today we're talking about time, a precious commodity out there. So I know a lot of people wondering, how long is my case going to take?
That's the number one question that we get in any kind of case.
I imagine it
How long is this going to take? Going through litigation is generally undesirable. There's expense associated there, and not just money. The time that people are going to spend can be very frustrating. So the answer is, unfortunately, a lawyer answer, it depends. There are mandatory minimum time periods that you have to wait from the time that you file your petition to the time that you can get divorced.
Okay.
You're going to wait at least 30 days.
At least 30 days.
And that's if you have a complete agreement.
Right.
If you don't go in with a complete agreement, it's probably going to take longer. And you've got to understand the moving parts that are involved in a situation.
Yeah, because to me, I'm like 30 days on this side seems like a long time at minimum to be waiting for my case to be finalized. But I'm sure from your perspective, there's a lot of things that are happening in those minimum of 30 days, right?
Yes. I tell people that, in my view, time moves differently for lawyers than regular folks. And the reason for that is the different perspectives and what we're doing within that process. Virtually any lawyer can tell anyone about the timeline of a case, but it's what you're doing in those different stages that's really going to make the difference for your outcome. What people have to understand is that your lawyer likely has more than one case, but your case is very important. There is a time frame there. There are other stakeholders like the court.
Sure.
Our courts across the country are overburdened.
Full, yeah.
They've got hundreds and thousands of cases on their docket. The counterpart, opposing counsel, they're going to have their own clients and schedules.
Okay, so you might have other things, and the person that you're in the court against, their attorney might also have other things stacked up, right?
Yes, so we're coordinating calendars with at least 3 people right there, right out the gate.
Yeah.
Then we're going to go to mediation in a contested case, and that mediator has other mediations and other clients, other business. So that's at least 4 people, plus the schedules of our respective clients. So there's a lot going on there, and it's not necessarily pick that first date. It may not work for everyone else. That can be frustrating, but you want everyone on the same page. What you don't want is to go to any one of those important events and one side or another be in a rush.
Yeah.
Because then you are going to start taking those shortcuts that we hate to take. You want to have everybody to buy in, have the time set aside to do it right, even in court.
Yeah.
Do you want to squeeze in a 30-minute or an hour hearing if you need 3 hours? Take the time to get the time set aside so you can have it done right.
That's important, and I think another important thing maybe is to know that during that time frame, whatever it is, it's not like you're just kind of waiting for the case to begin. I would imagine you're doing all kinds of work to prepare yourself and your client to be ready to head to court.
Absolutely. There's always more to do, and we try to work a case like our hair is on fire. So we have
like
lists and things. We have action plans for our clients, and there are things that we're doing behind the scenes, so it may feel like we didn't have court for 45 days. There was a lot going on to get ready for that information exchange, organizing that evidence, making settlement offers, doing everything we can to be efficient and proactive.
Yeah, that's why it's important, I feel like, to hire a professional whenever you're dealing with any of these cases. Aaron, thanks again for joining us, hopping in and filling us in and answering our questions about time, because I think that's, like you said, the number one question you get asked most often is, how long is this going to take?
Yes.
Yeah, so thanks for filling us in on that.
Thank you.
Yeah.